Without further ado, the first one is called "Ugly Son." It's off of my Arizona Finest EP. So here we go. Yeah, you already know the vibes. We gon' kick it and do whatever we like, yeah. Hey, we gon' have a lot of fun while we chill and we dance and we sing under the sun, yeah. Hey, you already know the vibes. We gon' kick it and do whatever we like, yeah. Hey, we gon' have a lot of fun while we chill and we dance and we sing under the sun, yeah. Hey, you already know when I get on the track, I'm about to kill it and you know that I'ma take it back. I know you miss this type of music, the kind you can vibe, calm, move, yeah. Looking on the mic when you're looking on the city ride, I know there's not many like this. Playing on the radio, so many manufacturers, we full of this and there he goes. We need some more classes, the love and the passion, and that creates the magic. It goes on the kind of track that always in the plastic, but nowadays we got so many people full of plastic. We need songs that get us off our seat, bring people together and not to move our feet. The sound of the system, they gotta feel the beat, but for now, see the chorus never beat up to me. Look, yeah, you already know the vibes. We gon' kick it and do whatever we like, yeah. Hey, we gon' have a lot of fun while we chill and we dance and we sing under the sun, yeah. Hey, you already know the vibes. We gon' kick it and do whatever we like, yeah. Hey, we gon' have a lot of fun while we chill and we dance and we sing under the sun, yeah. Hey, pop a cold one with your crew. How the time of your life is a memory soon. Don't trip about the little shit, not even for a little bit. If you want some deep, but you know that I'm delivering, yeah. Grab your glass and take a toast. Live in the moment, blood like a phone. Yeah, that can't wait for another day. This is what my people will be working on and getting paid. You're the ones to put food on the table, trying to make sure all the bills are paid for. This I have to work and keep your beat up. Call on the homies and make the plans to meet up. I don't know about you, but I'ma be with my squad. We gon' be at the spot. Yeah, we gon' do what we do best. Living our life, but we getting on the stress. Hey, yeah, you already know the vibes. We gon' kick it and do whatever we like, yeah. Hey, we gon' have a lot of fun while we chill, while we dance, and we sing under the sun, yeah. Hey, you already know the vibes. We gon' kick it and do whatever we like, yeah. Hey, we gon' have a lot of fun while we chill, while we dance, and we sing under the sun, yeah. Hey, alright, yeah. I realize this is my second time ever performing live.